Hello, I'm so glad you're here and welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm in a very fancy place and I'm ready to give you a very interesting video. So I came here to have fun with my friends. I'm going to introduce them in a few. We came here at Westlands, place inaitwa Bounce and Play. Friends, tunaona venye kuna kafiti hapa. It's all about good vibes. Na kama kawaida tulikuwa na dress code ilikuwa denim and black and a black top. So let me introduce them, then we go to the activities of the day. My name is Joan and we're here to have fun. Yeah!
Hi, I'm Clarice.
Nikijiintroduce kuna makosa kweli? Haya basi, let's do this. I'm Charity and I came here to have fun and to finally tick this item off my bucket list. Before nikuonyeshe zile activities tulifanya, I feel it's good nikuelezee hii Bounce and Play iko wapi, what are the charges, where is it located, vitu kama hizo. See, that's okay. So let's start. So Bounce and Play is located in Westlands, kwa mall inaitwa Broadwalk Mall, 2nd floor. I hope I'm clear up to that point. Another thing to note while coming here is about the charges, because of course sio bure, kuna yale malipo yenye inafanyika. Kwa trampoline park kwenye sisi tulienda, weekdays inakuanga 900, weekends inalipiwa 1100. For the soft plays ni 800 on weekdays, weekends 1000 shillings for 2 hours. This is where payments are made. So you feed your information to the system, alafu unalipa baadaye. Alafu I forgot to tell you something. Kuna kuanga na socks special, zinalipiangwa 250. They are not included in the 1100, so you pay for them separately. That's how the socks looks like. So unaona venye zinakaa poa. Let's now get into the most interesting part of this video.
Yeah, perfect. Hey, don't. Next.
This tap wall is divided into two, as you can clearly see on your screen. We have player 1 and player 2. Player 1 ako on the right side, player 2 ako on the left side. So this is the rule of the game. Unafaa unatap, ikiblink hivi unatap. Mwenye anatap mingi yeye ndiye ana win game. So player 1 ako na blue, player 2 ako na hiyo luminous green. And the game begins now. Charity versus Joan. Wacha tuone nani atashinda.
Player 1 ni huku.
Wacha sasa tuone Clarice na Joan ni nani atashinda. next activity ni climbing wall. Let's see how it goes.
Bila jiachilia. Hajamaliza panda.
Fall back. Hakuna.
Once you fall here, kutoka inakuanga struggle. But the good thing is you don't get injured. It's a very safe place. So unaona venye nang'ang'ana kutoka, it was a real struggle. But finally, nilimanage kutoka.
Go Clarice! Go Clarice! Clarice, alafu ujirushe kutoka juu. Usianguke! Aki Clarice! Hawezi fanya anything. Yani nini refu?
Hapa Joan alikuwa anajaribu kupanda lakini alikuwa anaogopa.
Let's go next. Can I get a brown? Yeah, brown on your left. Kurekodia karibu. Ama? Wewe si pia hata nimrekodia hapa. Acha nimrekodi, acha ni zoom. Ona? Anaruka fiti, anaonekana kwa kamera. Bado, go up.
Julius anapiga.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left after exiting the park. Mabibi na mabwana, tunataka
No, nimerekodi. Five minutes left.
It's time to record TikTok videos.
Wewe nitapita na wewe. Wewe nitapita na wewe. Mimi my friend naitwa Fire. Nitapita na wewe. Nitapita na wewe. Fire si fire. Noma si noma.
Amefanya Mungu. Amefanya Mungu. Jamani nina jambo inatamani niseme. Na jambo ninatamani amenifunika na neema yako, tena amenifadhili mimi. Umeondoa vizuizi kwa mkono wako Baba, umenibariki. And that's all the time we had for today, guys. Thank you so much for keeping us company. We've had a lot of fun. I can recommend, if you're looking for a place you can have fun, I can recommend Bounce and Play
1,000 times. See you in my next video.